I was very excited when my boyfriend and I received an invitation to my older sister's wedding. It was a very special moment for our family, and we couldn't wait for the big day. Before the wedding, I helped my sister with all the preparations. We went shopping together to choose her wedding dress. She tried on many beautiful dresses, and finally, she found the perfect one. It was elegant, white, and made her look like a princess. At the same time, my boyfriend and I also looked for our outfits. He chose a formal suit, and I found a lovely dress to wear to the ceremony. We also visited the place where the wedding would happen. My sister wanted a romantic ceremony with beautiful flower arrangements. There were roses and other flowers everywhere, creating a soft and magical atmosphere. She carefully chose the decorations, the music, and even the style of the cake. In the days before the wedding, we helped organize everything. We checked the guest list, the food, and the drinks, including champagne for the celebration. My sister was a little nervous, but very happy. The groom was also excited, and his best man was helping him with the final details. On the wedding day, everything was perfect. The groom and the best man wore elegant suits and waited at the front. When my sister, the bride, walked down the aisle, everyone looked at her with admiration. She looked absolutely beautiful. During the ceremony, the bride and groom exchanged their rings and promised to love each other forever. It was a very emotional moment, and many people smiled and even cried. After the ceremony, the celebration began. There was music, dancing, and a big cake. People were drinking champagne, talking, and enjoying the party. I danced a lot with my boyfriend and spent time with my family. Later, my sister threw the bouquet. I was very surprised because I caught it. Everyone laughed and clapped, and I felt very happy and lucky. At the end of the day, I felt proud and emotional. The wedding was exactly how my sister wanted, and everything turned out beautifully. I was so happy for her and the groom, and I wished them a long, happy marriage.